Now I'm in my outside leg hang. I'm going to take my inside leg, which is my right leg. I'm going to rotate it around in a circle, and you want your thigh to be squeezing the pole. Next, you're going to take your outside leg off and hook the inside leg. You want to be hooked at your calf and your thigh, your inner thigh. It hurts. That's okay. Next, you're going to crunch up to the pole. You're going to be grabbing on top of your calf and your ankle. Next, your top hand, which is also your outside hand, is going to grab the same leg. It's going to go behind the pole. I'm reaching. I'm opening with my chest and back, then extending through the quad and the hip. I want to have my elbow pit wrapped around the pole, grabbing my foot. Next, you need to release this top leg. And then that's your Allegra. You can look up at the sky for a pretty pose. Next, hook the leg back in, unwrap the arm around, get back into your chopper, and then you can just lever on down. That's the first part of the combo for the Allegra. Hold it, make it look pretty. Next, you're going to release back into your inside leg hang, and now you have enough room to go to the ground. We're going to go here. This is going to be your first step, getting into the handstand position with your outside leg. You're going to want to bring it back towards your face. That's going to be the next step. And your hip, if your 80s waist, is going to also give you some support. So next, when you're in that tuck position with your outside leg, you're going to release the inside leg, and that's going to be your handstand, really pushing with your arms. Next, to get out, you're going to hook the outside leg for a little Jasmine. You can weave around to the side in this pretty plank position. Now I'm going to lower down. You can wave your hips around, make some pretty body waves as you lower to the ground. Make a little fan kick and goddess up. Now you have a beautiful combo.